Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ito na nga po, teachers, no? Meron po tayong bagong clarification po dito regarding po sa means of verification na ating pong gagamitin sa ating PMES or Performance Management and Evaluation System. So ang tanong po dito is, pwede ba magamit yung ating mga MOVs noong first to third quarter sa ating performance management and evaluation system? So, babalik po tayo dun sa ating interim guidelines for the evaluation system for teachers in the school year 2024 and 2025. So, sabi po dito sa ating PPST objective for teachers sa mga ating PPST objective for teachers sa mga proficient teachers 1 to 3, ay meron po rito mga NCOI, no? Or Non-Classroom Observable Indicator. So, ito po mga NCOI, ang kailangan po natin dito ay mga attachments or means of verification that we have not done this NCOI in our teaching practices po, no? Or during po sa ating school year. So, dito po, we have objective number 2, NCOI, and then objective 10, NCOI, adopt and implement learning programs that ensure relevance and responsiveness to the needs of all learners sa PPST indicator 4.3.2, and then NCOI, objective 11, maintain learning environments that are responsive to community context. NCOI 12, Objective 12, ang NCOI po dyan ay review regularly personal teaching practice using existing laws and regulations that apply to the teaching profession and the responsibilities specified in the Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers. And then Objective 13, NCOI po natin is comply with and implement school policies and procedures consistently to foster harmonious relationship with learners, parents, and other stakeholders. So, ang kailangan po dyan ay, of course, means of verification po dyan ay mayroon po tayo mga attachments na ipapakita po sa ating rater. So, ang tanong na lang po is, what if nagawa po natin to nung first to third quarter? Pwede po ba magamit to as means of verification? And don't forget po, meron din pong NCOI yung ating mga highly proficient. And don't forget po, meron din pong NCOI yung ating mga highly proficient teachers. So, objective number 2, 8, 9, hanggang 14. So, napakarami po nilang mga non-classroom observable indicators. So, kung ito po ba nagawa nila ng first and to third quarter or during second or third quarter, pwede po ba ito magamit na means of verification? Ngayon pong requirement to for ating itong Performance Management and Evaluation System. So, pupunta po tayo sa ating frequently asked questions naman po, nilabas po ng DepEd. So, nakasaad po dyan, and portfolio, the effectivity of guidelines is starting fourth quarter. Can teachers show MOV or yung means of verification? Example po natin ay minutes of a consultative meeting with community stakeholders conducted in the previous quarters. So, pwede kaya magamit. So, for classroom observation shall be conducted in fourth quarter. Now, for NCOIs or non-classroom observable indicators, ito po, no? Any means of verifications across quarters shall be valid and accepted. So, ibig sabihin po, kung meron po tayong means of verification na nagawa during, no, mula first to third quarter, ay pwede po siya, no, magamit as means of verification sa ating non-classroom observable indicators. So, ano po yung mga yon? So, nabanggit po natin kanina, no, dun sa ating binigay pong dun po sa ating mga objectives, no? Sa ating PPST objectives. So, yun lang po, teachers. Sana po clear po sa atin na yung mga MOVs, simula po nung first to third quarter ay pwede po magamit na valid na means of verification for NCOIS sa ating pong evaluation. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Don't forget po to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo pag may mga latest videos. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.